Day 5 of 84. Full protocol, upper cross focus. This is foundation phase, week 1, and today runs about 25 minutes. Let's go through it. Inhibit, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Suboccipital Release, 2 by 45s. You should be familiar with your tender spots by now. Settle into them efficiently. Pec Minor Ball Release, 2 by 45s per side. Move the ball slightly more medially today to target different fibers. Upper Trap Ball Release, 2 by 45s per side. Try adding a slow arm raise while the ball is pinned to the tight spot. Lengthen, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Doorway Chest Stretch, 2 by 30s. Experiment with a higher arm angle, arm at 135 degrees, to target the clavicular fibers. Scalene Stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Anchor the opposite shoulder by sitting on your hand. Upper Trap Stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Combine ear to shoulder tilt with a slight forward nod to shift the stretch. Activate, 8 minutes, 3 moves. Chin tucks, 2 by 12, increase to 12 reps. Same 5s hold. Scapular Retractions, 2 by 12. Prone position. Hold 5s at end range today, up from 3s. Wall Angels, 2 by 10. Full range of motion. If your wrists lose contact with the wall, reduce the range and work within what you can maintain. Integrate, 5 minutes. 2 moves. Thread the needle, 2 by 6 per side. Pause at the end range for 3 breaths. Cat Cow, 2 by 8 reps. Link each phase to a full inhale or exhale. Posture checkpoint. When you sit down at your desk, check 3 things. Feet flat on the floor, sit bones pressing into the chair, and top of head reaching toward the ceiling. Reset these 3 anchors every time you sit. That's day 5 done, 79 to go. Subscribe to follow the rest of the program. And if you'd rather have it timed and counted for you, Posture 12 is free at posture12.com/get.